Hello, my lovely people. I hope y'all are having a fantastic day. I am here at the laundromat. Oh my gosh, the laundromat days. I enjoy going to the laundromat. I don't know how many of you all do, but I really enjoy going to the laundromat. So I'm just sitting outside right now while my clothes are in the wash machine. My washer and dryer are both broke. And I refuse to go in debt to purchase another washer and dryer. So this is what it is. I am saving. I have my eyes on a set that I really want to purchase. I don't know if I'm going to purchase it now or just wait until I move. I don't know, but I really want to kind of wait till I move to um, to purchase a washer and dryer. Just kind of thug it out for now. Yeah, but I'm just refusing. This year, 2024, like I'm 44 years young and I got to get better with my finances. And that's all it is to it. And I just want to share with you all my journey, trying to be disciplined. Yeah, this kind of inconvenience. Toting all your stuff back and forth to the laundromat every time. You can't really keep up your stuff clean. Like if you're normally like to clean, clean your towels or your bed sheets. You just have to make yourself disciplined, allocate money, time to do that. But it's worth it in the long run because you're thinking about it. You're going to save up the money to buy your brand new washer and dryer, and then you're going to have access to resume how you normally were doing things. So it's kind of worth it. It ain't kind of, but it's very much worth it. So here I am at a laundromat. This laundromat, they do accept debit card and coins. I like that. I used to work at a laundromat many moons ago when I had my son. I had two jobs. I worked as a CNA, home health care aide, and I worked at a laundromat. I had to work two jobs and still was terrible with money. Was absolutely terrible with money. I've always worked two, three jobs. But the thing I learned about myself is that I'm absolutely terrible with finances. I am horrible. I can make $1,000 and find something that costs $1,000 and be broke. So now I'm learning as I'm on this process, this journey of improving my credit and being a homeowner, that when something goes wrong in my home, I got to pay for it, and I got to have the money to pay for it, and I don't want to necessarily take out loans to be able to cover those expenses. So I have to learn to budget my money, and if I don't need it, don't buy it. So yes, I'm here at the laundromat right now, just sitting outside enjoying the fresh air. We had a fun-filled weekend. I didn't get to capture as much as I wanted because my phone died. I didn't charge it, but it is what it is. So I'm starting back posting content. I will share with you all what I got going on in regards to the work from home opportunity. So if y'all interested in that, please stay tuned.